the image has the same shape on both the sides. If I fold it at the center, you will say that the image has the same shape on the left as well as the right side. But we cannot call this exactly as a mirror half, because on one side you have a yellow color and on the other side you have a blue color. So since the colors are different, yes, that's right. Since the colors are different and only the shape is same, we cannot call them as mirror halves. Okay? For mirror halves, even the colors as well as the shape, both should be the same on both the sides. So this is the concept of a mirror half. But I have an interesting activity for you today of how to make mirror halves on your own. So for that, what you need is a tube of watercolors, okay, or watercolor tubes you can have, and you need a sheet of paper. So I'll just take out a sheet of paper for you. You need a blank sheet of paper and you require tubes of watercolors. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take out 4 different colors. Okay, I'll show you which colors I'm going to take out. I've taken out 4 colors of watercolor tubes. One is the blue, then I have shade of yellow, then I have a shade of orange, and then I have a shade of green. Now you might be wondering why I took these colors. Yes, one of you has pointed out very rightly, these are contrasting colors. So when I use these watercolor tubes, when I use these colors, it will give out a beautiful pattern. Now how you have to make the pattern is very simple. What you have to do is you have to take a sheet of paper, okay, you can hold it like this, and you have to fold it at the center. Okay, so what I will do is to keep these colors here, what I have to do is I have to fold it at the center. Okay, now what activity we are doing? We are doing an activity to make mirror halves. So after folding, I'll get a crease here in the center. Okay, yes, we have all done this in craft activities, origami, we have done folding of paper and forming a crease. Now what I'm going to do is, you remember the 4 colors that I took, the orange, the green, the blue and the yellow. So what I'm going to do, yes, you got it right, I'm going to put drops of colors on this crease, on the center portion of this paper where the crease has been formed. I'm going to put the watercolors. So just let me put the watercolors for you. Yes, so here I go with 4 beautiful color droplets. I have a blue, I have an orange, I have a yellow, and I have a green. See, this activity is so attractive, isn't it? Yeah, why it is attractive? Because yes, colors are involved in this. And now you see the surprise. So what am I going to do is, after putting these watercolor droplets on the crease, I'm going to fold it nicely. I'm going to give it a nice press, okay? And I'm going to again fold it. Again I will fold it, okay? One more fold I will give. I'll press it nicely and I'll spread the watercolors all over. Nicely I will press it, okay? You should also press it nicely. Try to spread the watercolors wherever possible. You can just spread it out, okay? Just with your finger you can just spread it out, fine. And then slowly we are going to unfold the paper, and there, isn't it interesting? Isn't it bright? Yeah, and you can hold it anyhow you want. See, either I can hold it like this. it's still a mirror half because the left portion and the right portion are similar in terms of shape as well as in terms of color. I can hold it like this as well. Here also the shape and the colors are the same. So now looking at this shape, you might be imagining, okay, that this is something, it looks like a ghost. Yeah, it looks like a ghost to some of you. It might look like a beautiful dragon to some of you. It might look like a flower vase to some of you. Yeah, see? Yes, you have multiple imaginations with this pattern. But it's so beautiful. You know, it just brightens up your, your imagination. And this is the beauty of mirror halves. Okay? So, you can also do this activity at home. Okay? Now, so this is all about mirror halves, and this is an easy way how you can do this activity at home with just a few tubes of colors and a paper. Okay, so this is the basic mirror half concept. The left side and the right side both are the same shape and color. So that is what, when I fold this page, the left half covers the right half completely, right? So that's what I have actually pointed out here. Shapes or figures in which the left side covers the right side completely are called mirror halves. But now the problem is, as I showed you a picture earlier, sometimes the shape is same but the colors are different on both the sides. So in that case, we cannot call them as mirror halves. Okay, so now let us go for another concept. Let us try to understand what is the meaning of, I'll just take my pen, what is the meaning of 1/4 turn? Now, how do I explain 1/4 turn to you? Let me use a very simple example for you. Here, I have the right picture for you. You can see the pointed edge here has two colors. One is the red, slightly reddish orange, and one is the black. Now this is in the vertical position. So if I want to see how this image will look when I turn it by 1/4, what I have to do? This vertical position, I have to just make it horizontal. Just one horizontal turn and it becomes 1/4 turn. That means whatever was there on the top has moved to the left. Okay, whatever is there on the top has moved to the left. Now you might be asking me, why didn't I move it towards my right? Okay, I'll move it towards my right also. So here again, this is 1/4 turn. Whatever is there on the top comes to the sideways. Okay, that is a simple way you can understand 1/4 turn. I can either move it to the left or I can move it to the right. So this is the idea of 1/4 turn. Now I have one more idea, and that is the idea of a half turn. Now how do I bring out this? How do I understand half turn? In half turn, what I have to do? I have to first move it horizontally, and again I have to move it one more time. So whatever was there on the top comes to the bottom. Okay, earlier the pointed side with red and black color was on the top. Now it has gone down completely to the bottom. This is called as half turn. Okay, I can even shift it like this. I can even move it like this. This is 1/4, and again when I move it down, this is half turn. So today we have learned two things. We have learned what is a mirror half, and we have also learned the concept of 1/4 turn and half turn. So I'm sure today you will go home and try the activity of the mirror half, and you will try to do 1/4 turns and half turns. So have a good day, do these activities, and let's gear up for our next class tomorrow with different type of turns other than 1/4 turn and half turn. So bye students, and see you tomorrow. Bye bye.